Today I'm trying myself to kayak all by myself along this river. It will take for a while, but
Xin chào, welcome back to my channel. This episode I will take you guys on the kayak with me to explore more river.
look, I lost my boat. Oh, okay. Yep, start my first lesson. Oh shit, it's already.
Do you know that Guilderton is a small coastal town in Western Australia, known for its stunning natural beauty? It's located less than 100 kilometers north of Perth, where the Moore River meets the Indian Ocean. It offers a picturesque blend of river and sea landscapes. Guilderton has a beautiful, pristine, white sandy beaches and clear turquoise waters. I have felt the challenge, however it is a great experience. Look on the map, I believe I only done 3k before the Z-bend. Of course after that we have to pack up the kayak